Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to track your personal achievements in Notion. Notion is a fantastic tool that lets you organize your life and your achievements so you can see at a glance just how far you've come. First up, we're going to set up a new page on Notion. This will be your personal achievements tracker. We do this because having a dedicated page helps keep everything neat and orderly. It also makes it easier for you to review your accomplishments. Now that we've done that, let's create a table on that page. This table will hold all the information about your achievements. We use tables because they allow you to easily sort and filter your achievements. For instance, you might want to see all the achievements you've accomplished in a certain month or year. The next step is to create columns in your table. Columns will help you categorize your achievements. Typical columns could include the date of the achievement, the category of the achievement, and a brief description. The reason we do this is to ensure that all essential information about each achievement is captured and easily accessible. Now, let me explain why this matters. By categorizing your achievements, you can see patterns and trends. Maybe you're particularly productive during certain times of the year, or maybe you excel in certain areas. This helps you understand yourself better and plan for future success. Next up, consistently update your table. Every time you achieve something, no matter how small, add it to your table. This helps us because it encourages a habit of recognizing our successes, which can be a great morale booster. Finally, review your achievements regularly. This can be at the end of each week, month, or year. The aim is to remind yourself of your progress and spur yourself on to achieve more. And that's it. That's how you track your personal achievements in Notion. With this system, you'll always have a clear overview of your accomplishments. So start today and watch as your list of achievements grows. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.